today we are proud to present to you our very own Piaggio Ape Xtra long deck with drop sides. Gamit po ang ating long deck, perfect po siya for any logistics, e-commerce business, or cargo carrying. Marami pong possibilities with the long deck. Pwede ka pong i-drop ang ating side doors at ang ating back door. Kaya sobrang madali lang po itanggal ang inyong gamit. Meron po siyang payload capacity of 535 kilograms pa. Dito po makita natin ang ating features sa harap. Katulad ng ating windshield for clear visibility, our windshield wipers, our headlamps, front fender, and dito sa baba, makita natin ang ating anti-dive suspension for better shock absorption. Ang ating tire size ay 4x10. Dito po ang ating provision for speakers. Dito po ang ating controls for our headlamps, for our windshield wipers, and our switch for hazard. Dito po ang ating charging port. Makita nyo po ang ating gauges dito. We have our gear shift and clutch. Dito po, we have our throttle, and then our high beam, low beam, our signal lights, and our horn. We have our reverse cable, our decompressor cable, and our stop for engine cutoff. We also have our foot brake and our handbrake. Below me, we have our extra tire just in case po may emergency. Ito, we have our handy compartment for our water bottle and our battery. So yung long deck po natin ay meron pong engine power of 3,600 RPM. Meron rin po siyang fuel tank capacity of 10.5 liters. Makita po nyo natin dito sa ating fuel tank, it has a fuel efficiency of 36 kilometers per liter.